Create Your Space is all about showing you how to transform a small space in 3 stages. By following our tips and tricks, you'll be able to transform a fairly standard garden corner like this one into a tranquil space, starting with a simple design before showing you an elevated design and finishing with the ultimate dream space. So here we have a beautiful entry-level zone that instantly brings tranquility to your garden. Standing pride of place is this water feature that we made from a standard garden pot. Water, still or moving, adds tranquil and cooling effects to your garden. And the sound of moving water not only creates calmness, it can also provide white noise that can dull down background distractions, like traffic noise. Also, the sunlight playing on the water creates these wonderful hypnotic patterns. A delight to look at. On the ground here, we've laid out some pebbles. Rocks, stones, and pebbles have been used in many Zen gardens, as it's believed that raking the stones may assist with mindfulness and meditation. Sounds like a really tranquil way to do your garden maintenance. Lastly, at the back, we planted some trees and added some screens to the fence. Trees release oxygen, improve air quality, and reduces pollution in the atmosphere. An increase in oxygen has been thought of to improve mood, clarity, and well-being. And this beautiful rust color creates an earthy tone to our space that is quite grounding. To elevate this look, consider bringing in some shade. A gazebo can bring formality and structure to the space and make it feel larger instantly. By adding a few key pieces of furniture, some shears and lighting, our space has become private and provides shelter. The perfect spot to hide away. Or just sit, relax, and unwind. Color is well known to affect mood with both green and white having a calming effect on the senses, while deeper tones are known to create a sense of warmth, reassurance, and have a settling effect. Finally, we have our dream space, the ultimate tranquil zone that sees our shed transformed into an outdoor office, completely connected to nature and bursting with plant life. This Merbau decking has been added onto the front of our shed, and the rich tones in the timber tie in perfectly with our rust color panels and adds to our warm, reassuring color palette. It's said the key to achieving a good work-life balance is separating your work zone from your home. And faking a commute from the office through our tranquil space and back into your home may help you switch off at the end of a busy workday. And while you're at work, with a view like this, you'll love coming into the office. You don't have to convert a shed into a home office. You could make this a yoga studio, study nook, or retreat. And there you have it, 3 different options to create a tranquil space in your garden.